Practice problem 2. First step, identify the points you're going to use, okay? Can't use this first point. Look at it. It's in the middle. So hopefully you didn't try to use that one. All right, so let's travel up this line. Here is the first point you can use. Keep traveling. Here's the second point you could use. Keep traveling. Here's the third. So there are 3 possible points. You only need 2 of them, okay? So I'm going to use this point and this point. We're going to find the slope. What are we counting by? Not by ones. We're counting by tens for the y. We're also counting by tens for the x. Okay. So how far up am I going? 10, 20, numerator. How far to the right? 10, 20, 30, denominator. So I'm not going to leave it like that, right? I can divide by 10, so the slope is 2/3. It's positive, so your answer should be positive.